Two car rental giants trusted by millions, but which one truly delivers the best experience for your next trip? On the left, Enterprise, America's most trusted car rental. And on the right, Dollar, budget-friendly wheels for every trip. Let's skip the ads and brand slogans and dig into what really matters. Each category gets a score, and by the end, you'll know exactly who comes out on top. The winner might surprise you. Okay, quick overview. We're going to break this comparison down into 6 major categories. First up, customer satisfaction, because no one wants a headache when they're traveling, right? Then, locations and availability, pricing and value, fleet and vehicle quality, loyalty and rewards, and, of course, customer service. We'll look at the pros, the quirks, and all the stuff that actually matters when you're choosing who gets your business. So, first category, customer satisfaction. All right, let's talk about Enterprise. You know what? Their scores are just crazy. Highest J.D. Power rating for 2025, which basically means people genuinely love the experience. From the easy pickup, trustworthy service, and friendly staff. Oh, and here's something cool. You can even skip the counter and grab your car directly, which feels kind of VIP if you ask me. I mean, sure, sometimes they run out of bigger cars at busy locations. Minor inconvenience, right? Now, Dollar. You get decent bang for your buck, especially if your top priority is saving money. But honestly, their satisfaction scores, not amazing. They're actually on the lower end, according to most surveys, and the service can be, hit or miss. Sometimes it feels you get what you pay for. No frills, not a lot of smiles. So, if we're picking a winner here, clearly Enterprise takes the crown for satisfaction. Now, on to locations and availability. Enterprise is like everywhere. I mean, we're talking over 7,600 U.S. locations, and they're usually within 15 miles of pretty much anyone in the country. Big airports, small towns, you name it. Plus, self-service kiosks make it super smooth. Downside? At peak times, you might struggle to find those larger SUVs or vans, especially if you rock up last minute. With Dollar, you do get a decent spread. About 260 spots across the U.S. and Canada. They're easy to find in big cities, but let's be honest. Outside of urban areas, pickings get slim fast. So if you live in a small town, Enterprise has your back way more than Dollar does. Winner for locations? It's definitely Enterprise. All right, let's talk money, pricing, and value. With Enterprise, you're getting competitive rates most of the time. And it's cool that extras like child seats don't cost a fortune. Even tolls are capped at a reasonable $19.75, which is not bad. But yeah, the actual daily rates, usually a little pricier than the cheap guys. Now, Dollar. This is where they really shine. Huge promotions with up to 20% off if you prepay, and you can get 15% off just for giving them your email, which, let's be real, who doesn't love a little discount? Perfect for budget folks. The catch is, some hidden costs can sneak up on you, and those toll fees can get wild, up to $90 max. That's rough if you're cruising the highways. If we're picking for value, Dollar gets the edge here, thanks to the non-stop deals. Hold up, quick trivia. Did you know Enterprise is actually the biggest car rental company in America? I'm talking more cars than Hertz, Dollar, and Thrifty combined. Yeah, over 2 million vehicles. That's wild. Next up, fleet and vehicle quality. Enterprise? Massive fleet. We're talking over 2.1 million cars. So there's basically something for everyone, from compact cars to giant SUVs. Most cars are pretty new, clean, and well taken care of. Always a plus. But sure, during peak travel, you might end up with an older ride. Now, Dollar leans into business class, so their standard sedans and economy cars are often newer than you'd expect. Awesome for regular travelers, but let's be real. If you're dreaming of something premium, their selection is pretty limited. Overall, have to hand it to Enterprise for sheer variety and quality. Loyalty and rewards time. Enterprise Plus gives you 1 point for every dollar you spend. Free rental comes at 600 points, and your points don't evaporate for 3 years, which is pretty fair. Not the most generous, but at least the rewards stick around. On the other hand, Dollar actually packs in more perks. You can rack up hotel points with IHG, redeem points for free days more easily, low fees, and even snag benefits if you're a frequent flyer. Downside is, sometimes you hit blackout days and can't use your rewards. If you love stacking up points, Dollar takes a win in this round. Finally, Customer service. Enterprise? People rave about how helpful their staff are, and all those digital tools make it so simple to skip lines and grab your keys. On busy days, you might wait a bit longer, but at least the overall vibe is still positive and professional. Dollar? Let's just say they're fine for basic rentals if you don't have high expectations, but customer service is not exactly their claim to fame. So, you guessed it, Enterprise bags the win here for service. Let's zoom out for a second and see how these two stack up across the board. On our radar chart, Enterprise just dominates in satisfaction, locations, fleet size, and service, while Dollar gets its moment for pricing and loyalty. It's actually kind of fascinating how different their strengths are. Enterprise is all about reliability and reach, while Dollar plays the budget and reward angle. So, here's the bottom line. If you want a rental experience that's smooth, reliable, and available pretty much anywhere in the US, Enterprise is the way to go. But hey, if saving money is your main objective and you love racking up hotel points, Dollar can be a smart pick. Just be ready for a few trade-offs in service and satisfaction. Need a car for your next trip? Compare Enterprise and Dollar to find your perfect ride at the best price. Don't rush your decision. Check out those deals.